Welcome back, everyone. Today we have a fantastic DIY project that combines the fun of Play-Doh with the soothing benefits of aromatherapy. We're going to show you how to make your very own aromatherapy Play-Doh using doTERRA essential oils, of course. So let's dive right in. Here is a list of ingredients that you will need. Now, here are actually some of the brands that I really love to use to make this Play-Doh. So what we're going to do is, in a large mixing bowl, we're going to combine the all-purpose flour, your half a cup of salt, and cream of tartar. Then go ahead and just give it a good stir to ensure that they are really evenly mixed. Now you're going to add in your 1 cup of water and also your avocado oil. This is what is going to help make the Play-Doh really soft and pliable. I actually have used melted coconut oil for this too. You can really use any type of cooking oil that you prefer. After that's mixed in, this is where you're going to add in your food coloring. I personally use a non-toxic plant-based food coloring. Now go ahead and mix everything together, and you're going to put it right into your pot. Please make sure that your stovetop burner is set to medium-low. Once you get your entire mixture into your pot, you're going to want to make sure that you're mixing it the entire time. Once it forms that soft, pliable ball, that's when you can remove it and go ahead and set it right on top of your parchment paper on the counter. Let it cool for a few minutes, but then comes the fun part. I love to add Serenity to my purple Play-Doh because it has such great calming properties. This is also a really fun part for the kids to help and let them choose and add the essential oils themselves. Then once you get your oil in, start kneading it to distribute the fragrance throughout. For the other colors of Play-Doh that we've made, I do like to match the essential oil to the different color Play-Doh. So for our yellow, I like to use doTERRA's Cheer essential oil. Again, for the purple one, I use the Serenity because it's so calming. For our orange, I like to use our Wild Orange. And then for our reddish Play-Doh, I like to use our On Guard Immune Boosting Oil. You can store these in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag to keep them fresh. I like to use the mason jars, but my kids absolutely love this Play-Doh. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And of course, I always want to make sure I'm sharing my free diffuser guide where I share all my favorite diffuser blends and tips, and you can download it right in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.